Hi, I'm CameronB with Coast of Maine Organic Products. I'm the Vice President of Marketing, and I wanted to talk to you today about a new Facebook Live event that we'll be doing, interviewing our independent garden centers and retailers that have carried our products for the last 25 years, finding out what makes your store special, why people come there, why buy local, what kind of questions do you get, what's your favorite plant, and why do you carry Coast of Maine organic products? And we hope it's because they're the highest quality and they bring customers to you, and we represent buy local and organic practices. I invite you to join us every Monday at noontime, 15-minute interview. It'll probably be somebody you know, and if you want it to be you, please reach out to us. You can email me at CameronB@coastofmaine.com, CameronB@coastofmaine.com. Have a great day. We look forward to hearing from you and promoting you.